Isomi has a very strong design philosophy which is at the start of all of our products. And it's very much driven by both the manufacturing process and materials.
Isomi is about design for designers. We understand the marketplace, and all our products are created as a system that really does make life much easier for the specifier.
Isomi's core concept has been around modularity, and really the introduction of the Mono, the first truly modular desk that we created, was really about an amazing synergy of both a material and a concept, almost more towards an invention as opposed to just a design. And as a company we have a philosophy where we launch things through material addition. So we initially worked through solid surface because that was really the heritage of the brand, and then we've evolved into concrete, which felt like a very natural transition for the brand to make. Obviously there are very different materials. In many ways I see them as being actually quite similar. And by that I mean that as a brand we work with materials that are both raw, authentic, straight from source, with sort of really zero intervention in terms of surface treatment. Metals were our third material addition that we introduced into Isomi. The idea of metals was also a great opportunity for Isomi to add colour without adding an artificial layer. Use metals, we actually had to go right back to source, right back to the mill of actually sourcing it off the hot roll and then treating it with great care right the way through the process to ensure we have this sort of beautiful finished piece without any marks that you would typically get on a hot rolled steel sheet.
We actually work in a lot of different markets: healthcare, education, leisure. I mean, the beauty of our products is they actually sit anywhere. They can be specified to suit any spatial requirement, choose what material suits the environment.
I think what's important about Isomi is that design is very much a holistic approach. And this is right from concept, where we're working directly with the manufacturers and the engineers, not only to challenge the process, but also to create a series of parts that are completely uncompromised all the way through the journey, from the concept of design through to installation. The aspirations for Isomi is, in the short term, we will continue to expand the ranges that we already have. We will then look to continue to introduce new additions in terms of materials, but also to expand our reach in terms of the markets that we're in. So obviously we're currently very much in the reception area. Already with the launch of our new tables, this will start to take us into new directions. Our aspiration is to then expand into the larger marketplace in terms of furniture, and we want to be recognised as a leading British furniture brand.